Hello everyone, welcome back to Ungsuman Sinner's YouTube channel. So as you can see that we are following R.S. Agarwal mathematics book and we are doing height and distance chapter. Already 4 part I have uploaded and exercise 14 in R.S. Agarwal, exercise 14 we are doing. Now this is for CBSE curriculum students. Next up to 25 number question, exercise 14 we have done. Next we are going to start from question number 27. So here in this question, first we are drawing a tower. This is the horizontal line and the two men are, this is the first man, this is the first man and this is the second man. Now this man's angle of elevation is 30 degree and this man's angle of elevation 45 degree. We have to told that height of the tower is 50 meter here. So distance between the two men, we have to find the distance between the two men. So A, B, C, D. Okay, now we are naming that. Now from triangle ABC, tan 45 degree is equal to BC by AC. That means I am writing just, that means 50 by AC. Now tan 45 degree means 1, so AC is equal to how much? 50 meter. So this distance is 50 meter. Now from triangle BCD, on triangle BCD, tan 30 degree is equal to 50 by CD. Tan 30 means 1 by root 3. So distance between the two men AC plus CD, that's equals to 50 plus 50 root 3, 50 plus 1 root 3 meter. This is question number 27. Now since book it is given the full calculation, so we are doing the full calculation and we are taking the root 3 is equal to 1.732. that means 50 into 2.732. if we calculate it, after calculation we are getting the result is equal to 136.6 meter. Okay, next move to another question. In this question, two towers are given. This is the first tower and this is the second tower. Okay, this is the horizontal distance between them. Now it is told that the height of this tower is, second tower is 90 meter. Height of second tower is 90 meter. Now here and their distance is 60 meter. Horizontal distance is 60 meter. The angle of depression of the top of the first tower when see on top of the second tower. So the angle of depression means this angle is 30 degree. If the height of the second tower is 90 meter, find the height of the first tower. So it's a very easy question. This is 90 obviously, so that means this is also 90, already we get this is also 90. Now this is 60, means this is 60 meter. Okay, so we have to find just this height. If we take this height as x, so from here this angle is 30, means this angle also 30 degree, since these are parallel lines and this is the transversal. So here tan 30 degree is equal to x by 60. Okay, now tan 30 means 1 by root 3 is equal to x by 60. So x is equal to 60 by. Next come to question number 28. Now in question number 28, this is the first tower and this is the second tower, and this will be the image. The horizontal distance between them is 60 meter, and the angle of depression from the second tower to the first tower is 30 degree. So obviously this angle, if this angle is 30 degree, so obviously this angle will be 30 degree. Now here we are taking from triangle ADE, on triangle ADE we are getting that tan 30 is equal to DE by 60. Now 1 by root 3 is equal to DE by 60, so DE is equal to 60 by root 3. So here if we calculating, this equals to 34.64 meter. Now this DE means this is 34.64 we are getting. So since this is 34.64, so obviously this distance is equal to 90, total distance is 90 meter, it is given. 90 minus 34.64, that means 56.36 meter. So this distance is equal to 56.36 meter. Okay, next move to another question, question number 29. Now here comes the image of the solution. Now here this is 60 degree, this is 30 degree, and the distance between these two tower will be, these two poles, sorry, not tower, this is the first pole, this is the second, both of same height. Now here DA plus DB is equal to 80 meter, DA plus DB is equal to 80 meter, so DA is equal to 80 minus AB meter. Now tan 60 is equal to H by DA from triangle DEA, tan 60 is equal to H by DA, so root 3 AD is equal to H. Now root 3 is equal to 80 minus AB is equal to H. This is the equation number 1. Next tan 30 from triangle ACB we are considering, this is the first triangle, this is second triangle. Now for triangle ACB, tan 30 is equal to H by AB, so tan 30, so here tan 30 means 1 by root 3, so obviously 1 by root 3 means H by AB. So from here we are getting the root 3 H is equal to AB. Okay, now H is equal to AB by root 3. This is my equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2 we are equaling H. Okay, we are getting, this is from 1 and 2. Okay, from 1 and 2 we are getting, so this is root 3 into root 3, 80 minus AB is equal to AB. This is 3 into 80 minus AB, that's equals to AB. This equals to 240 minus 3AB, that's equals to AB. So 4AB is equal to 240. So AB is equal to 60 meter. So DA is equal to 80 minus AB. DA is equal to 80 minus AB. That means 80 minus 60 means 20 meter. So the distance of the midpoint of the point from first pole be 20 meter and from second pole be 60 meter. Okay, now we have to find the H from equation number 2. H is equal to AB by root 3. So H is equal to AB. The value of AB is equal to 60 by root 3. That means 60 by 3 into root 3, 20 root 3. So if we calculate this value 20 root 3, this value is 34 point something, I think 34.6 meter. Next move to question number 30. This is the lighthouse of 75 meter. Okay, the angle of depression two ships are 30 degree. This is the first ship, ship 1. This is ship 2. Angle of depression is 30 degree and 45 degree. So in question number so this is the first ship, this is the second ship, and this is the lighthouse 75 meter tall. The angle of depression is given. Angle of depression of the first ship is 30 degree and angle of depression of the second ship is 45 degree. So obviously this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 45 degree. We have to find the distance between them. This is question number 30. Exactly behind the other, the lighthouse. Okay, we have to find the distance between the two ships. So if we named it A, B, C, D, we have to find CD. Now considering the triangle ABC, here tan 45 degree is equal to AB by AC. AB by AC means 1 is equal to AB. AB means 75 by AC. So AC is equal to 75 meter. Now from triangle ABD, tan 30 is equals to AB by AD. That's equals to tan 30 means 1 by root 3 is equal to AB. AB means 75 by AD. So AD is equal to 75 root 3 meter. So distance between the ships is equals to CD, or that's equals to AD minus AC. So AD is equal to 75 root 3 minus 75 meter, or 75 into root 3 means 1. So here that means 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter, 75 into 0.732 meter. If we calculate it, so this is equal to 54.9 meter. So this is the distance CD, So the distance between the two ships is 454.9 meter, and that will be the answer.